Hi everybody, today I just wanted to come out and say thank you to all my subscribers. I can't believe I'm at 100 subscribers. I never thought that this day would come. Because a month ago I was only at 3 subscribers. It is July 2nd and I'm at 103 subscribers and I cannot believe it. And I just wanted to come out here and say thank you to everyone that subscribes to me and watches my videos and comments and shares my videos. I want to shout out some people that always watch my videos and always share. They never fail to comment and just watch them every time I post. And that is Slim Shell. Thank you so much for your support. And also Lady T, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And also, who else? Life with Heaven. I love you. Thank you for always watching my videos. And those are the people sharing. And I really appreciate you guys. And I also, not just them, but I appreciate all of you that have subscribed to my channel and are watching me. Thank you so much. And I hope you continue to stay tuned to my channel and just all the glory goes up to God. And also I am thinking about doing a series on how my life is as a pastor's wife, and kind of encourage other people that are in the same situation as me. They're in the same shoes as me. I just want to I'm thinking of like what to call it. So if you have an idea of what I should call my series, let me know on the comments down below, and just let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions of topics that you guys want me to do. Please comment down below, and I would love to share them with you. I don't know yet when I'm going to start uploading. Just still thinking. Sorry, my phone is ringing. 1 second. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it once again. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed. Bye.